Hello, this is Alex from the National Weather Service in Pocatello with your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Sunday, March 10th. We'll kick things off here taking a look at the latest satellite picture. You can see an area of low pressure just off the California coast. This will be moving down the California coast through Monday. And you can see some moisture here as depicted by the white and green colors here on the satellite image. Most of the precipitation in the form of snow will stay south of the Idaho border. It could be a brief snow shower along the Utah border today, but any amounts would be very, very light. Farther west, you can see this band of cloud cover here over the Pacific. That's our next system, and that'll be moving towards us over the next couple days and providing some snow to the area from late Tuesday through Wednesday. And we'll get into those details here shortly. First, taking a look at the main impacts here through the week. Just some patchy fog over the central mountain valleys this morning, and an even better chance of that Monday morning. And there we are seeing some patchy fog over the eastern Magic Valley this morning as well, with a chance for more fog Monday morning, also across the Arco Desert. And I mentioned our next chance for snow and wind, looking like a Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday event. And then after that, from Thursday all the way through next weekend, currently looking dry with inversions developing as a strong area of high pressure is expected to move in. And here's a look at that impacts timeline through the week. Again, Tuesday afternoon, the Soldier Mountains and Central Mountains and surrounding mountains and valleys will see that snow move in. We do have high confidence on the start time, as the forecast guidance is all in great agreement. So late Tuesday afternoon, that moving in. Most areas should see snow on Wednesday, although we could see a changeover to rain in the eastern Magic Valley and along the I-86 corridor towards Pocatello on Wednesday, with some breezy conditions. Overall, it looks like a fairly light amount of snow, and then the dry conditions move in for Thursday. Let's show you a look at the forecast radar. This is 6 p.m. Tuesday, where we're starting. You can see snow by then is expected to have developed from Stanley to Sun Valley and across the Albion Mountains and Southern Highlands here. And as we move through the rest of Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, you can see how those snow showers are expected to overspread all of southeast Idaho. Again, not depicted here, but there could be a changeover to rain from Burley to Pocatello, as temperatures will be in the 40s as the precipitation starts. As we go through the day Wednesday, potentially some stronger snow depicted by the darker blues here across the I-15 corridor Wednesday afternoon. And then you can see as we go through Wednesday evening and into Thursday, that moves out, leaving dry conditions through the rest of the week and into next weekend, as we mentioned previously. Taking a look at high temperatures today, getting into the low 40s along the interstate corridor, and we're expecting very similar temperatures for Monday and also for Tuesday, although on Tuesday, as those southerly winds develop ahead of the next system, we should see temperatures get into the mid and even upper 40s along this stretch here along the interstate corridor for Tuesday. Low temperatures, very similar over the next two mornings all the way into Tuesday morning, solidly below freezing for all areas, and even some below freezing, below zero rather, readings for Island Park and Stanley and some of the valleys here across the central mountains. Mentioned the high temperatures for Wednesday, ahead of and behind that system. So cooling somewhat Wednesday with the snow, but you see here where we're getting up to around 40, that's where that mixture with rain is possible along the 84 and 86 corridor. And then those low temperatures Wednesday, so getting back below freezing, and potentially a changeover back over to snow after the cold front moves through on Wednesday along the interstate corridor. But again, expecting mostly light amounts with that system. We will see wind with that system for Tuesday into Wednesday. Here's a look at the wind gusts Wednesday morning. Some westerly winds in the 35 to 40 mile per hour range. Locally, some higher gusts, say for around Yale along the interstate corridor. As we go through the day Wednesday, you can see how that evolves. Winds switching to the north Wednesday as that trough passes to the east, the low pressure trough responsible for the snow showers. So early indications suggest maybe a convergence band of snow, but we'll continue to monitor those details and adjust as necessary as we go through the next day or two. That'll conclude today's briefing. If you have any comments, questions, or feedback, welcome those to the phone number or email you see here. Thank you.